ever pondered the immense power packed within a humble cucumber? It's not just a refreshing addition to your salad, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Today, we dive into the myriad ways cucumbers can boost your well-being. Cucumbers, a member of the gourd family, have been cultivated for over 3,000 years. But their benefits extend far beyond their crunchy texture and refreshing taste. Firstly, cucumbers are a hydration hero. Comprising over 95% water, they're an excellent way to replenish the body's water content, especially during those sweltering summer months. Secondly, these green gems are a treasure trove of essential nutrients. They're packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients not only support overall health, but also aid in skin health, giving you that coveted glow. Thirdly, cucumbers are a friend to your heart. The potassium in cucumbers assists in lowering blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Fourthly, cucumbers are a weight loss ally. Low in calories and high in fiber, they keep you feeling full and satisfied, aiding in weight management. Fifthly, the antioxidants in cucumbers help to combat cellular damage and inflammation. They're rich in flavonoids and tannins, which have been shown to limit free radical damage and slow down aging. Lastly, cucumbers aid in digestion. The high water content and dietary fiber in cucumbers are effective in ridding the body of toxins from the digestive system, encouraging a healthy gut. To encapsulate, cucumbers are a marvel of nature, a simple yet potent source of hydration, essential nutrients, heart health support, weight management aid, antioxidants, and digestive health support. So, the next time you're in the grocery store, don't forget to add some cucumbers to your cart. Remember, a cucumber a day could keep the doctor away.